Hi guys, welcome back in this channel. As you know, I have background in virtual tours. So today I prepared for you unboxing and testing the Matterport Axis with the tripod. So I'm super excited because I have iPhone 13 with lidar sensor which could give a good boost to my virtual tours, as for now I'm using Ricoh Theta Z1. Matterport Axis. Connect your phone to Matterport to capture your surroundings with seamless precision. Let's see if the precision will be seamless. Oh, it feels good. In first touch, I mean, yeah, it shows solid green, so it should be. Charge, connect phone holder. Okay, connect your phone. Could it be so easy? Bluetooth, connect the Bluetooth in the capture app, open an existing job, connect Axis. Yeah, Bluetooth, start scanning. Oh yeah, start. Camera, what the fuck? Camera isn't aimed correctly. Adjust the tilt of axis to align. So it should be like this. Why? Okay. It's so slow. It's fucking slow. Oh, come on. Okay, the speed is definitely a huge disadvantage of this. It's moving so slow. Eh, Yeah, I need to adjust tilt manually, so. Whew. I don't like this.
So we uploaded the tour and we are going to check it. This is the most important part. So let's do this. We can see it's definitely usable. It looks more or less fine. I don't like too much it's like scattered. It's it's definitely okay, but it's not the best quality tour. Also here are some, if you can see, artifacts. The stitching problems is not the without any issues. I mean, the issues are visible. And the the room without the light, I wanted to test how it's going to look. It's looking better than with the 360 camera, because the iPhone have a really good low light shooting, but it's not usable for a paid job. Definitely it's not usable. And I'm not sure, I'm not happy with the result. I mean, it's good for the money because Axis is cheap, and if you already have your phone, it could be nice to use it this way. But I don't know, the quality I expected much more because I have iPhone 13, the newest model with lidar, and this is what I get from the lidar. Come on, no way. I mean, yeah, it's usable, but I don't know, stitching problems everywhere. So we are going to look now at the Ricoh Theta Z1, which took just like 1 minute to do this tour, and it's much better. If you can see, it's so smooth in comparison. It's much smoother, much better, and without any stitching problems. You cannot see stitching problems because there are none stitching problems. So and even it looks, I think it looks better. You can see the cat looking at it. I think it's look even better, the photos. So guys, I don't know. If you have 360 camera, I would definitely use 360 camera, and I would not buy Matterport Axis, even with the newest smartphone. But depends. For someone, this is definitely usable, who don't want to spend money in a 360 camera and buy Matterport Axis. I mean, I'm really glad that Matterport came with this. I just wish for better quality. So stay tuned.